If you are an English learner, this video is especially for you. Do you know what are the common challenges of being English learner? If you don't know, let me tell you. First is to not have an English partner with who you can practice your English and who is available for 24 into 7. Actually, if you get a partner to practice English, yet there are so many problems such as when he is available, you don't, and when you are available, he is not. That's why for your English practice, you can't completely rely on him. You have to find focused and serious English learner as you are focused and serious. And second problem is not able to maintain consistency. And you are not able to maintain consistency because you don't have relying partner. You don't have English partner with who you can practice English and who is available for 24 into 7. That's why it become very challenging to maintain consistency. Alright. And third major problem is lack of guidance. If I elaborate it, you must have an English partner who is better than you at English, who knows English better than you, because when you make mistake, he corrects you or he keep you pushing forward. And when you both have a English conversation, you can adapt several things from him, such as new vocabulary, accent, pronunciation, and many more things. And do you know what is the solution of all these major mentioned problems? That is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT can sort out all these problems I have mentioned just before. In this video, I am going to show you how effectively do I use ChatGPT to enhance my English so that you can. What are the benefits of using ChatGPT? It is really great advantage to use ChatGPT. I will explain it later, and finally I will tell you how can you use ChatGPT to upgrade your English level very quickly. Let's start with how do I use ChatGPT. I'm telling you, when I started learning English 1.5 years ago or 2 years ago, that time we did not have ChatGPT. So I had to completely rely on my English partners. I used to have so many WhatsApp group, Telegram group where I used to practice English with so many person, but nobody was completely reliable because when I was available, they are not. When they were available, I was not. Yeah, this kind of challenge I used to face. And other thing was they were not as serious and focused as I used to be. That's why I always looking for a good partner who with who I can enjoy, with who I can enjoy my English journey. Even what I used to experience, let's say today I want to practice English, but because of some reason I am not able to connect with good speakers, good learners. They are not interested in learning English. They are using only basic things. They are not improving their English. Because of that, I was not able to enjoy my English practice, and I was thinking, oh, let it be, don't practice today. And because of that, I broke my consistency many times and I was growing very slowly. And there was few more problems when we both were having a conversation and we are not able to convey something in English. We are not able to speak any sentence or word in English. That time I had no support. We both had no support because we were at same level, so we were not able to correct somebody. We were thinking that yeah, we both are right or we both are wrong. And when I used to watch English videos, when I used to listen English things, that time there were so many things I was not able to understand or I was not getting according to the context. But I had nobody to ask that what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of that, because I am from village, so there is nobody who knows English. So it is very difficult for me to find the answer without ChatGPT, right? And one of the major problem at that time, that was casual conversation. If you don't have a particular or selected English partner with who you can practice English, and if you talk every day to new English learner, you start your conversation with casual talk, right? So whenever I connect new English learner, we used to have a casual talk. So it became very boring for me to repeat same thing. I was always looking for a partner who can have topic based conversation, so that I can ignore casual talk. because it became very boring for me to repeat same thing for very long period of time. Because of these problems, I had a slow progress. I was not progressing fast. Then after then one day I got to know about ChatGPT. When I explored ChatGPT, it really surprised me because ChatGPT removed all of my barrier. The problem I used to face earlier, all removed by ChatGPT. I will explain everything in this video, so keep it watching. So let's see what are the benefits of using ChatGPT. First main advantages is it is available for 24 into 7. It resolve each and every English learner's problem who have a time management issue, right? Let's say you are busy in the morning, in the noon, or even in the evening, so you can have practice at night because it is available for your entire day. The thing you need is only one phone and proper network connectivity. And if something is available for you all the time, you can use it to maintain your consistency. By using ChatGPT, it is very hard to break consistency. If you are serious to learn English, okay, you don't need anyone. You don't need to rely on your friends, rely on English partners, because you have a ChatGPT which is available for all the time. So whenever you want, wherever you want to practice your English, you can practice. You can practice your English with ChatGPT without any restriction. All right. Second benefit is it will not only help you to speak fluently, but it will also help you in reading, writing, and watching. If you are reading something and you are not able to understand what the sentence or word try to convey, what message it is trying to convey, you can ask ChatGPT. First you have to provide the context, then ask, you will get a proper answer. If you are writing and you are not sure it is right or wrong, you can ask ChatGPT and it will provide you proper answer. Even it will provide you a correct version of your sentence. And if you watch English videos, you read newspaper, and you are not able to understand what the speaker is saying, you can ask ChatGPT, you will get proper and correct answer. So it helped me a lot to improve my English. And third, and one of the amazing benefit of using ChatGPT is you are the in charge or you are the boss. You can lead the conversation. It's up to you. What do you want to talk about while having an English conversation? ChatGPT is always ready to talk with you the topic you want to discuss. If you practice with anybody, such as friend or an English partner, might you have to face bit difficulties while choosing a topic. But with ChatGPT, the topic you want, ChatGPT is always ready to have a discussion. ChatGPT provide you absolute freedom. Whenever you want, you can connect with ChatGPT and start your practice. And if you have urgent work, you get a call, then you can immediately disconnect the conversation. Later you can start the point you disconnect. Alright, so it gives you complete freedom. Whatever you want to talk about, wherever you want, or whenever you disconnect or connect, it's all up to you. And last advantage of using ChatGPT is ChatGPT knows English better than us, and he knows formal English as well. When you have a chat with ChatGPT, ChatGPT uses several words, idioms, and many more things, and you can adapt such kind of thing while having a practice with ChatGPT. And let's say while having a conversation, ChatGPT used a difficult word or difficult sentence, you can ask ChatGPT that what does it mean. Then after, ChatGPT will break down the meaning of that word and sentences so that you can grasp it easily. And one more thing I want to mention, let's say I am having a chat with ChatGPT related to historical things, means we both are discussing historical things, and I don't know much what are the prevalent or what are the widely used historical words, but ChatGPT knows it very well. So when I have a conversation with ChatGPT related to history, ChatGPT will explain all the events and war using historical words, the words which are prevalent, which are commonly used in history. So that is really great opportunity to adapt new words, new sentences from ChatGPT, and you can also incorporate these words in your conversation, and it will diversify your English skill. It will help you to upgrade your English level. Alright, and now I'm going to show you how do I use ChatGPT to practice English. To be honest, for the first time when I got to know about ChatGPT, it really surprised me, and I decided that time I would make the most of this application. And from that day, I try to talk with ChatGPT each and every day, and I prefer topic based conversation with ChatGPT. And to be honest, each and every day in the morning, I dedicate 1.5 or 2 hours to have a topic based conversation with ChatGPT. It really helped me a lot to maintain my consistency, maintain my fluency, and upgrade my English level. Now I'm going to show you how do I use ChatGPT and what are the important settings of ChatGPT. I really suggest you, if you are not getting any partner, if you are not getting someone to practice English with, go with ChatGPT. It will really immensely help you to enhance your English. Here you can see my screen recording. First, go to Play Store. I have already installed ChatGPT, so I'm going to open it from here. This is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, when you have to start fresh conversation or new conversation, you have to tap here. You can see a headphone icon here, right? If you tap here, first it will take time to connect. Yeah, it is connected. Hello, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great as well. And right now I am recording a video for my YouTube channel where I am showcasing my viewers that how you can make the most of ChatGPT to enhance your English.
That sounds like a fantastic video idea. How are you planning to demonstrate the ways to use ChatGPT for learning English?
So go for it and upgrade your English level. Make the most of this application. And if you found this video helpful and amazing, please subscribe to my channel and like the video so that I can create next video to help you all.